finally the nursery का tour. मुझे इतने सारे messages आए कि आप please nursery का tour दो, आप please nursery का tour दो. So I thought finally, why not? So let's not waste any more time and just follow. Ta-da! This is his nursery. It's written Nirvair, so obviously it's his nursery. Okay, so let's begin. What do we have? मुझे हमेशा से ना एक ऐसी सीढ़ी चाहिए थी, okay, जो मैं उसके रूम में लगाऊं and जहाँ पे मैं उसके toys and you know like things which probably he will use much later, but it will look nice for aesthetics, okay. तो मैंने इसलिए ये सीढ़ी हमने मंगाई, I think Flipkart से मंगाई थी, and ये lights हमने Kronos lights से मंगाया है, and they just look so beautiful when you light them up. And I like वो थोड़ा सा you know हल्का dim light वाला माहौल for him. So when he's sleeping, you know हल्की सी light भी जल रही होती है, but it just is also के light चाहिए, you know like that. And of course इसमें सब उसके toys हैं, which he doesn't use right now, but he will use later. And इसमें उसके essentials हैं like the D3 medicine that he has to take every day, the syrup, and calcium वाला. Then of course his Milky Soft body lotion from Mamaearth, his Milky Soft face cream from Mamaearth, and can you imagine, guys? Mamaearth has actually introduced the Milky Soft lip balm for babies. I mean, it is totally amazing, and of course, it is 100% natural because it is for babies and it is Mamaearth. You know guys, बीच में जब निर्वैर को थोड़ी सी सर्दी हो गई थी ना, तो मैंने रियलाइज किया उसके लिप्स पे ना यहाँ पर स्पेशली थोड़ी सी स्किन पील ऑफ हो रही थी. So I think this is the best because ये 12 hours तक you know वो देता है moisturization to the lips. Okay, it is 100% natural like I said, and it is made safe certified and toxin free. So guys, this is made up of oats, milk and calendula, okay, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which actually helps soothing the baby's skin. And the milk protein actually keeps the skin hydrated and does not allow moisture to evaporate. And calendula actually soothes, nourishes and hydrates the skin deep. And don't worry guys, it has no harmful chemicals and it is suitable for all skin types. So guys, if you also want to moisturize your baby's lips, then all you have to do is just use my coupon code KISHWAR2021 on the Mamaearth website and app. And remember that this coupon code is exclusively applicable only on the Mamaearth's website and app. And the app is also available on Android and iOS. And of course, you can buy these products from Amazon, Flipkart or Nykaa. Okay? So now, let's get to the other thing. Okay, so this is just where I have kept artificial plants for him. मैंने सोचा था पहले कि मैं you know उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा real plant रखूंगी, but then I thought of mosquitoes, ये वो का बहुत problem होता है. So that's why I just kept artificial plants so that you know थोड़ा सा green when he actually starts seeing color, he can actually you know see कि greenery है उसके room में. Okay. Then मैंने सुयश को बोला था कि मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा जिराफ चाहिए, okay, वो जो standing वाले जिराफ्स आते हैं. But guess what he got? A panda, the biggest in size, okay, जिसके साथ मैं भी like literally I can sit and I can chill with because he's so big, guys. Look at him. But it's cute. It's really cute. Okay. Budapa. All right. Coming to the next thing that we have, we've made shelves so that अब तो इसमें खैर इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, but we've made shelves so that you know when he's growing up and you know उसके और toys आएंगे, so then we have like space already to keep things for him. Okay. Then we have his car seat जो आज तक हमने use तो नहीं की है because जब भी वो गाड़ी में जाता है वो bassinet पे ही बैठा होता है या लेटा होता है या सो रहा होता है, so we still haven't used that. We will eventually use it. And this is very cute. It's a rocker, okay, जो literally vibrate होता है. So you can make him sit, and now that he started seeing colors and this that, so you know he can play with these things. So it's good for his brain development apparently. Yeah. And this is a cushion I use for feeding. Okay. Then these are two bassinets that we have for him that we use for him to sleep. ये उसका nest है जिसके अंदर हम उसको डाल कैरी कर सकते हैं. And this is the cutest mirror that we have. It's from Boeing. Okay. This is a baby brand जिसके पास से मैंने ये खरीदा है and I really like it. It's very cute and very baby-like. Okay. And this is something that Krish bought for him because Krish is a lot into Batman and Superman and Spider-Man, so we bought him Batman and Harry Potter. Okay, वो बड़ा होगा तब तो नहीं पाएगा. Then this is a camera which have in the room in the nursery because obviously we need it. And this is something that Shruti made. सुयश's sister. Once again मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि श्रुति सुयश की बहन है, उसने ये बनाया रेजन आर्ट करके एक आर्ट होता है जिससे उसने ये बनाया for Nirvair. Okay, and then what else do we have? Any exclusive? Yeah, that is some hamper जो आया था, but it's really cute, so I've kept it. And this is the best because this is a chair. It's called a nursing chair, and again this is also from Boeing, which I called for. And I wanted a very as a stark color because everything else is very subtle. Like you can see the wallpaper also is very subtle, but this had to be like essay. You know, like I wanted people to enter the room and just see this. So yeah, that's why this color, and I love it. It's very very comfortable, guys. I mean, all you moms जो feed करती हैं या whatever, I think this is the best buy ever. You must buy it. Okay. And then coming to his cot, we have this oval cot which is from Honey, like you can see. ये हमने खरीदा because ये काफी चीजें कर सकता है. It's not only a cot, it's like something that you can use later when he's 5 and 7 years old. We can use it as a table and 2 chairs like a coffee table. Okay, then यही cot छोटा भी बन सकता है for a very small infant, like a newborn. And और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है इस cot से. So it's definitely a very good buy. This cupboard I thought is from IKEA, but I thought कि जब मैंने picture देखा था तो मुझे लगा था काफी लंबा और अच्छा cupboard होगा, but ये तो मतलब मेरे height के जितना ही है, but ठीक है because अभी तो वो छोटा सा है, so it's okay, it's cute. And this is his cupboard which is quite in a mess, guys. You know me, right? So it's quite in a mess, but yeah, there are some of these clothes which I really like, so he'll be wearing them soon because थोड़ा winter I really hope we travel somewhere जहाँ पे वो ये सब पहन सके because otherwise it's going to be just a waste. But yeah, so काफी और yeah ये plant श्रुति ने मुझे लाके दिया because I really wanted something थोड़ा सा बड़ा for his room, so she got me this. And yeah, it's again an artificial plant. Then this play mat I've recently bought because now he will start sitting zameen pe, and he will have his toys and he will play. So yeah, it'll be cute, for him to just lie down and tummy time on this. And so that's it. And then yes, those paintings. सुयश का फ्रेंड है हर्षद चोपड़ा. I mean, सबको पता है हर्षद चोपड़ा कौन है, but yeah, उसकी बहन ने हमें वो पेंटिंग्स बना के दी. So it's basically a couple, then a baby, and the couple with the baby. So it's very significant to this room and the nursery. So yeah, guys, and this is it. And this is from Neon Attack. Yeah, Neon Attack sent us this Nirvair का name. Okay, तो रात को काफी lit लगता है because it actually just shines in the room and Neon Attack ही होता है literally. So yeah, I guess I've mostly covered everything, and I'm sure all you guys were waiting, and every day I used to get DMs asking me ये कहाँ से लिया, वो कहाँ से लिया, वो कहाँ से लिया. So I really hope that I've covered mostly everything जहाँ से आपको पता चल गया हो कि मैंने क्या कहाँ से लिया है. So you guys can also go and shop and make your baby's nursery very cute and very nice. Of course, the wallpaper which you guys have really liked also is from Real Arts. हमारे घर के पास ही गोरेगांव में एक स्टोर है Real Arts. उन लोगों ने हमारे घर का basically सारा wallpaper किया है, from our living room to our bedrooms to nursery, which is थोड़ा सा green मुझे उस तरफ चाहिए था and मुझे wallpaper इस तरफ चाहिए था. So that is how we've combined it together, and I think it looks amazing. So guys, this was eventually and finally the nursery tour that I gave you. I was actually waiting for the mirror because mirror नहीं आया था, इसलिए वो थोड़ा सा delay हो गया. But I really hope that you like it and that you like the episode and you liked all the information that I gave you. So you know what you have to do. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and come back again to watch the next one. Okay? Bye bye. गाइस, मैं मामा अर्थ के प्रोडक्ट्स इसलिए भी खरीदती हूँ बिकॉज जैसे ही आप कुछ भी परचेज करते हैं वो आपके ऑर्डर को अपने वेबसाइट से लिंक कर देते हैं टू द ट्री दैट दे विल एक्चुअली प्लांट. सो बाय द एंड ऑफ 2025 मामा अर्थ एक्चुअली प्लान कर रहा है टू प्लांट 1 million trees. Isn't that amazing?